Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to create an account for the Hotcoin Global Centralized Exchange. Before we get started, I recommend you create a new account with the link below this video. Using the link applies this referral code, which will make you eligible for sign-up bonuses. These are special bonuses just for our viewers, so if you want to be eligible for these rewards, use the link in the video description to create your account. You can create an account with your email or a phone number. We are going to go ahead and put our email in and create a password. Once we've done that, let's make sure that we have the user agreement checked off and we can register. Next, we want to verify our email address, so let's copy and paste the 6-digit verification code. You can also put your phone number in, but that is optional. We have successfully registered for a Hotcoin account. The first thing we want to do is look at the KYC requirements, see what we can and can't do without KYC. So let's go to unverified. And I looked around a bit before the video. You can trade, withdraw, and deposit without KYC, but you are limited in terms of your volume and withdrawals. So if we did want to improve that, we would do some standard verification. So personal information, an ID card, and facial verification. Right? And that would improve your limits and your withdrawal limit. If we wanted to do further verification, we would also have to submit a proof of address form. To start the KYC process, you would go to Verify Now. You want to make sure that the issuing country for your document is correct, and then choose your document type. I would usually choose a passport, and then continue on your phone. I say continue on your phone because it's a lot easier to upload pictures on your phone and do facial recognition. So you would just scan this barcode and then continue the KYC process on your phone. Looking around Hotcoin a little bit, it does have a lot of features, but we're just going to go over the basic ones. Up here is where you can buy crypto and deposit. So deposit crypto, buy crypto with your Visa or MasterCard. This is the market section, so you can look at the tokens and market trends, where you can trade, so spot and margin. You can even do some pre-market trading. The futures/perpetuals, they have a earn section where you can lend out your assets or borrow against them. And over here is where we can also deposit and withdraw our assets. We also have a list of all the different accounts that we have on Hotcoin Global. If you want to get the best bonuses when signing up to Hotcoin Global, you should create a new account with the link below this video. The link will take you to this sign up page where you can see all the bonuses you are eligible for. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We also have a website at CryptoWinRate.com where we have lots of crypto content and tons of educational guides for you to sift through. I appreciate your time, and bye for now.